Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best ear gauges is probably one of the most versatile and expressive body modifications available today, allowing individuals to showcase their unique style and personality through a wide array of designs, materials, and sizes. Whether you're looking to make a subtle statement or a bold declaration, ear gauges offer an unparalleled opportunity for self-expression, transforming a simple piercing into a captivating piece of wearable art that can be customized to fit any aesthetic. From minimalist tunnels to intricate plugs adorned with precious stones or intricate carvings, the possibilities are virtually endless, making them a popular choice for those seeking to personalize their look and stand out from the crowd. Number 5. JieyueJewelry 50/54 Pieces Ear Stretching Kit. Discover the ultimate ear stretching experience with this comprehensive set. It includes everything you need to gradually expand your ear piercings. This kit offers a wide range of sizes, from 14G to 0G, ensuring a perfect fit for every stage of your stretching journey. Crafted from durable acrylic tapers and plugs, along with comfortable silicone tunnels, these pieces are designed for long-lasting wear. Achieve your desired look with this all-in-one ear gauge expander set. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced body piercing enthusiasts. Elevate your body piercing jewelry collection. This set provides the tools and accessories to express your unique personal style with confidence. What we like. This set offers an incredible range of sizes, from 14G all the way to 0G, making it perfect for those who want to gradually stretch their ears. It includes both acrylic tapers and plugs, as well as silicone tunnels, providing versatility in your stretching journey. If you are looking for a comprehensive starter kit with plenty of options to experiment with, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of sizes, ranging from 14G to 0G, which is fantastic for gradual stretching. Having both acrylic tapers and silicone tunnels provides versatility for different stretching stages. The acrylic tapers are lightweight and easy to insert, making the stretching process more comfortable. The silicone tunnels are also soft and flexible, which is great for everyday wear. Each piece is well made with smooth edges, ensuring a comfortable fit. I didn't experience any irritation while wearing them, which can sometimes be an issue with lower quality products. Number 4. JDXN Ear Stretching Kit 14G to 0G. Discover the ultimate ear stretching kit, designed for both men and women. Achieve your desired look with ease and comfort. This comprehensive set includes 50 pieces, ranging from 14G to 0G. It offers everything you need for gradual and safe stretching. Crafted from durable acrylic tapers and comfortable silicone tunnels, these plugs are made for long-term wear. Enjoy your new jewelry without irritation. Perfect for expanding your ear-piercing jewelry collection. Express your individuality with a wide range of sizes and styles. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this expander set is user-friendly. Follow the simple steps to achieve your perfect gauge. Trust JDXN for high-quality ear stretching supplies. We provide the tools you need to confidently express your personal style. What we like. This kit provides a wide selection of sizes from 14G to 0G, catering to various stretching goals. The inclusion of silicone tunnels offers a comfortable and flexible option for wear. If you are a beginner looking for an affordable and complete set to start your ear stretching journey, this is a great option to consider. What people say. This kit truly has it all. From tapers and plugs to silicone tunnels and gauges, it provides a wide range of options for every stage of the stretching journey. The acrylic material used for these pieces is of excellent quality. It's durable, easy to clean, and comfortable to wear. The tapers are designed with gradual increments, making the stretching process safe and manageable. They slide in smoothly, reducing the risk of tears or discomfort. Number 3. Body J4U 54PC Ear Stretching Kit. Achieve your desired ear gauge with this comprehensive 54-piece kit. It includes everything you need for stretching and aftercare. From 14G to 12mm, this set offers a wide range of sizes. You can gradually expand your earlobes with ease. Keep your stretched ears healthy with the included jojoba oil. This natural ingredient promotes healing and prevents dryness. Explore different looks with the included tapers, plugs, and tunnels. These lightweight expanders are comfortable for daily wear. Designed for both men and women, this kit provides a versatile solution for ear stretching. Start your journey today. What we like. This kit stands out with the inclusion of jojoba oil for aftercare, which is crucial for healthy stretching. The lightweight expanders ensure comfort during the stretching process. If you prioritize aftercare and comfort, and want a large variety of pieces to choose from, this set is a solid pick for your stretching needs. What people say. The sizes are extremely versatile to allow for a slow gauging. I enjoy that there are tapers as well as smaller bars. I like the classic look of the black on black. The oil helps too, comes out of the bottle without a hassle and doesn't have some kind of overpowering scent. Great product and gets the job done. They have so far worked perfectly for beginning my gauges. Easy to use, love that it has extra little O-rings. They leave perfectly sized holes and I'm literally impressed with the quickness I was able to move up in size. Number 2. VCMART 14G to 0G Steel Ear Gauges Stretching Kit. Introducing the VCMART 14G to 0G Ear Gauges Stretching Kit. Crafted from implant-grade steel for superior comfort and durability. This comprehensive set includes tapers, plugs, and eyelets, covering sizes from 14G to 0G. Achieve your desired look with ease. Made with implant-grade steel, these pieces are hypoallergenic and safe for long-term wear. Experience irritation-free stretching. With 36 pieces included, you have a wide range of sizes to choose from. Perfect for gradual stretching and customization. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your collection, this kit provides everything you need. Express your unique style confidently. What we like. The use of implant-grade steel in this kit ensures durability and is a great choice for those with sensitive skin or who prefer higher quality materials. It offers a good selection of tapers, plugs, and eyelets for stretching. If you are looking for a durable and hypoallergenic option with a focus on quality materials, this set is highly recommended. What people say. The tunnels are very comfortable and look great. I love the design of these tunnels, they are very unique and eye-catching. The quality of the material is excellent, and they are very durable. Number 1. Oyaface Silicone Piercing Tunnels 2G, 25mm. Introducing the Oyaface 20-piece piercing tunnel set. These versatile plugs are designed for comfortable ear stretching. Choose between soft or hard silicone for your preferred feel. They offer flexibility and durability for everyday wear. This set covers a wide range of sizes, from 2 gauge up to 25mm. Achieve your desired stretch with ease. Experience comfortable ear stretching with these flexible expanders. They are designed to adapt to your body. Expand your style with this comprehensive gauge set. It provides multiple options for customizing your look. With 20 pieces included, you have plenty of options to experiment with. Find the perfect fit and style for you. What we like. This set focuses on silicone options, offering both soft and hard materials for comfortable wear and flexibility. It covers a wide range of sizes, from 2G up to 25mm, accommodating those looking for larger stretches. If you prefer the comfort and flexibility of silicone or are aiming for larger gauge sizes, this set is an ideal choice. What people say. Soft, flexible silicone makes these very comfortable, especially for sleeping. The reason I buy silicone tunnels is obviously the comfort that comes with wearing them. They're super lightweight and comfortable enough to sleep in. They are the perfect thickness, too. Some silicone tunnels can be extremely stiff which, for me, causes irritation while others can be too flimsy and they end up falling out overnight. Not these, though. These are right down the middle, perfect. Les plugs sont en silicone souple, c'est parfait pour a larger le stretch d'ausement sans la douleur que les tapers peuvent apporter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.